It can be hard to tell for sure if your girlfriend is cheating on you, but there are a few common signs to look out for. First, pay attention to any recent changes in your relationship. If you've noticed that your girlfriend complains about your relationship more lately, or that she's less affectionate with you than she used to be, these can be signs of an underlying problem. If she's cheating, you might also notice sudden changes in her schedule or regular routines that she can't or won't explain. For instance, maybe she started working late more often, but it doesn't seem like she's getting any overtime pay. Or you might find that there are times where you just can't reach her by text or over the phone, even if there are times when she's usually available. A girlfriend who's cheating might be more secretive and less likely to open up to you about things as well. For instance, you may notice her hiding her computer screen when you walk into the room, or quickly putting her phone away when you get close. She might also have a hard time answering simple questions like, "What have you been up to in the evenings lately?" In addition to paying attention to her behavior, think about whether your girlfriend has been talking to any new people in her life. For instance, does she talk a lot about a particular friend, or seem to always want to spend time with them? Or does she get defensive if you mention a particular person in her circle of friends? If so, it's possible that she's interested in them, or even having an affair with them, especially if you've seen other suspicious behavior. However, keep in mind that none of these signs necessarily prove that your girlfriend is cheating. It's totally normal for her to have her own friends and interests outside of her relationship. So respect that, and try to give her the benefit of the doubt, unless you have lots of evidence that she's hiding something. If you do think she's cheating on you, have a talk with her about it. Calmly let her know that you're concerned she might be cheating and explain why. Then, give her a chance to tell you her side of the story. You might not get all the answers you want, but having an open conversation about it may help you figure out what's going on and where you want to go from there. Even if she doesn't admit to cheating, it's okay to move on or seek help from a relationship specialist if you don't feel secure in your relationship.